Welcome to Autodesk Inventor Advanced Assembly Modeling. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Inventor and 3D modeling. With the completion of our Advanced Assembly Modeling course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access Inventor through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students utilize the advanced assembly modeling techniques to reach the higher level of productivity when creating and working with assemblies using the Autodesk Inventor software. As we progress through the 3 days of class, each student will discover how to apply motion to existing assembly constraints using motion and transitional constraints, plan the assembly using the various top-down design techniques such as derived parts, multi-body part modeling, layout design, and adaptive modeling to create clean and reusable geometry. Use IMATES to define how the component will be constrained into an assembly and store that information directly within the component for quick and easy use. Create positional representations to review motion, evaluate the position of assembly components, or document an assembly in a drawing. Manage large assemblies, incorporate placeholder geometry into an assembly, or simplify proprietary Inventor data going to an external vendor, or for use in Autodesk Revit using model simplification tools. Create model states to reduce the clutter of large assemblies, reduce retrieval times, and create substitute models. Create variations in your design using iAssemblies. Learn how to use Design Assistant to search for or copy files. Pack and Go to copy all reference files together in a single location, or purge older versions of files. Use the Design Accelerator to easily insert standard and customizable components and features into a model. Create rendered, realistic images and animations of parts and assemblies using Autodesk Inventor Studio. Quickly and easily create structural frames via the frame generator, and navigate between the weld, preparation, and machining feature groups of weldment assembly environment. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Inventor functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting Inventor users in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through work problem issues more efficiently and more quickly. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike will gain the confidence to design models in Autodesk Inventor using the advanced modeling techniques, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees and/or understanding how new software can and will be implemented into the daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Autodesk Inventor Advanced Assembly Modeling course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional software.